Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we show you how to DIY an American Girl acoustic guitar similar to the one from AG's campfire set. Turn paperboard and glue into a fun instrument that gives your dolls the opportunity to strum a tune on a sunny day or under the night stars. If you enjoy this video, we'd love it if you hit the like button, subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a new DIY. Okay, let's get making! We sourced a guitar silhouette on Google and resized it to fit an 18-inch doll. You can find a link to this Shutterstock image in the description box. Print off the image and glue onto recycled paperboard. Carefully cut around the body and neck of the guitar, but don't worry about the individual tuning pegs. We will make those later. Now remove the center circle for the front of the guitar. Then repeat this step with another printout to get the back of the guitar, but leave this one whole. Next, trace the neck shape onto more paperboard. Cut, stack and glue 6 layers for the required thickness. Take your back piece and cut away the neck section. Glue this extra piece of paperboard to your stack. Now cut a long strip of paperboard that is 1.5 centimeters wide with an additional 1 centimeter tab at the top and bottom. Fold and crease the tabs, then cut lots of notches into the paperboard. This will allow the strip to bend easily and fit around the guitar's curvy shape. Take your back piece and apply glue around the edge. Adhere the paperboard tabs to the perimeter of the guitar. We used extra tape to secure the tabs in place while our liquid glue dried. Now trace and cut out another body piece and affix inside for a neat finish. Switching to the front of the guitar, trace and cut a longer fretboard piece that ends at the round opening. To this, add thin strips of paperboard for frets. Note, the frets are spaced wider apart at the headstock, right of screen, and get closer the further along the neck. Next, mark and pierce 6 holes into the headstock. From more paperboard, draw and cut out the rosette, bridge and pickguard. We layered our pickguard and bridge 4 pieces thick. With all the pieces ready, you can jump to assembly or cover the guitar in wood grain contact paper. It's hard to see on camera, but we have 2 different shades. Cover the front of the guitar with the lightest contact paper. You want the grain to run vertically. Cover the back of the guitar with the darker wood grain paper. Then wrap a strip of dark contact paper around the side. Also cover the stacked neck piece and longer fretboard. Here we used E6000 spray adhesive to ensure our pieces join together since they are covered in shiny contact paper. Pop the neck element into the body and fold over the tabs. Then affix the front piece. Once the E6000 has dried, add the fretboard. You can see we wrapped the excess contact paper underneath the neck piece for a stronger connection. It's optional, but we coloured the frets with yellow marker and painted the rosette around the sound hole brown. We also drew on more details using a brown marker and white gel pen. The bridge is painted black and the pickguard section is painted green with brown specks. For the tuning pegs, we took 6 small beads and spray painted them silver. Clip a short length of paper clip and push it into the side of the guitar head. Then slip on the bead, securing with a drop of hot glue. Now take gold or silver thread and twist it around itself to make the string stronger. Your guitar will need 6 strings. We will tie the ends of our string around a saddle piece, which is just a round cotton tip cut down to fit between the bridge. To make this fiddly job easier, the cotton tip is gripped between 2 clothes pegs. Carefully and patiently tie the end of your string around the tube, knot it and clip off the excess string. Try to keep them close together as the placement of the strings must be the same as the width of the guitar neck. Apply liquid glue over the knots to ensure they will not unravel later. Hot glue the saddle bar to the bridge and pull the 6 strings up the fretboard so they are straight and taut. It helps to use low-tack tape to keep them in place while we complete the next step. Anchor the strings at the top of the guitar using the tip of a round sewing pin. Squeeze a tiny drop of glue over the holes we made earlier, then insert the pin halfway. Wrap the string around the pin, trapping it in the hot glue. Then push the pin the rest of the way. Clip off the excess string and the guitar is complete. For a simple shoulder strap, cut a 40 cm length of ribbon. Fold over the ends and insert a thumbtack through the fabric at each end. Push one pin into the middle bottom of the guitar. Then push the other pin into the paperboard to the left of the neck. Now your shoulder strap can be easily adjusted or removed. Get busy today making your dolls a realistic looking guitar from just paperboard, pins, string and glue. Remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to support our channel. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!